y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel if you just see me for the first time, and I am a Nigerian based YouTuber. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe and also turn on your bell icon so you're notified each time I post a new content on here. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be braiding my hair today, and the style I'll be doing is inspired by Jordyn that her hairstyle is braided by T does for her. It's so cute, guys. If you don't know it, let me show you. This is what it looks like. I already have my appointment made and I'm off there now. It's so pretty, guys. I'm itching to see the end result. If you'd like to find out what that will look like, then keep on watching.
Take down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and unspoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you.
I'm at the salon now and I'm loosening my twist. I should have done that before coming here, but I don't know, something happened. I got to know about this place from Diana, and yeah, I saw her work on her Instagram page and it's so good. I just really needed to come here. It's not close to mine in any way, and this is not the usual place you all know me to braid my hair, but I just had to come because her work is amazing. So I'm loosening my twist outs and see my length. The name of the salon is Vavel. Yeah, okay, Vavel. I'll leave her Instagram on the screen and you guys can check her out if you stay in Port Harcourt. Trust me, her job is good. I'm already praising her even though I've not seen it on my hair, but I just believe it based off on the pictures I've seen on Instagram and Diana's hairstyles. Diana, the last one she just did was one beyond sitting that has crown on the head. I'm like, what is going on here, this girl? But it was really beautiful. So yeah, talk to you guys later.
Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus.
This is what I'll be using. This is the Darling Superstar Kanekalon Japanese fiber, and this is in the color 1, so it's black. I'm using black for the first time in a long while. And then for the curls, I wanted to use a human hair, but when I went to the salon to get the extension, they gave me this one instead. So this is Amigos Top Collection Kanekalon hair. It's called Dancing Curls Bulk, and this is what it looks like. So she's going to separate this very well. So hopefully it comes out looking nice. We're about to start.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as.
Hey y'all, I'm back home and I just had my bath. It is 10 minutes to 11 and yeah, I just got home like 20 minutes ago, 20-30 minutes ago. I just rushed into the bathroom, had my bath, and here I am. I haven't had anything all day. I'm so hungry. I bought banana and granite on my way back because I don't want to have anything heavy that will just go and balance in my stomach there. But yeah, I want to end this vlog, but before I do that, I just want to break down everything about this hair. You all, at the beginning of the vlog, I told you it was a Jordyn inspired hairstyle. Yes, it still is, but with a twist. So the lady that made my hair decided to add a twist and make it into goddess braids. You guys can see, I'm looking at the viewfinder to show you. But yeah, goddess braids has like I don't know how to explain it, but you saw when she was making it how she left hair out, and this is the length. It's really long, and it has the coils at the bottom area as well. I really love it. I love it, and I love the fact that it's something I haven't done before and it's not so full. She started this hair at past 4 p.m. and finished around 9:30, so approximately 5 hours thereabout, and she was the only one making it. So if I had gone to a salon where 2 people make hair, then I should have been done in like 2 hours or thereabout, or 3 at most. But yeah, this is it. I love it so much. Tomorrow I'm going to style it and take my thumbnail. So for now I haven't used mousse, that's why the curls are not popping enough. She said I should use a foam mousse, something about a curling mousse actually, and put on it so that the curls can pop more. So the picture you see on this thumbnail is actually when I've done it very well and styled it. So yeah, I'm too tired to do that this night, please bear with me. But yeah, you're going to see it on the thumbnail, or I might include it at the end of this vlog. Yeah, I might do that. So if I don't, then this vlog is going to end here, but I'm still going to do my outro here. So the next footage you're going to see might be me putting the curls on. I don't know yet. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please help me and do so. Thank you so much. Also turn on your bell icon so you're notified each time I post content on here. Share this video and thumbs down if you don't like it, so I can know the type of content you want to see on my channel. Once again, my name is Chantel Ayamo, Chantel Kelechi Ayamo. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. I will see you in my next one. I need to go sleep. Good night.
The next day.